Hello, I am Francisco Ruiz, the author of PassLok Privacy app, which is now in version 1.6. The user interface has changed significantly. So in this new video, I'm telling you about the short mode for the various locking and unlocking modes of PassLok. Here we are at the main screen, and I want to send a message to my friend. I'm impersonating Alice, and I'm sending a message to my friend Paul. I go to the keys screen and I type Paul's share key. In this particular case, we share a key called I'll eat 42 peaches. And in order to make this a short message, I click on short mode. I type my message. Hello, Paul. How are you? Now observe that there is a title on the top that is telling me how much space I have. Short mode messages are meant to fit within a text message. So the total has to be 160 characters or less. Therefore, PassLok is telling you how much space you have left before you run out of space. If you go beyond, then PassLok will tell you that the message has been truncated because it doesn't fit. So far, we still have room. So now that I have my key, I have the message, I can click on lock, and here, this is what I get. This message is actually exactly 160 characters. So it's going to fit within an SMS message. If this had been a smartphone, what would have happened is that it would have moved to another screen, which is this one. It will appear already selected and ready for you to copy. So you can just call the SMS app with this button, and then you would have been able to paste it directly and send it to Paul. Now, since this is a computer, we don't have an SMS app, and this thing is not functional. But it is functional on a smartphone. Okay, so now Paul receives it. He knows that it comes from Alice, and there is a key that is shared between them, which is I'll eat 42 peaches. Okay, so we come here and type it there and click here. It doesn't matter really whether this is clicked or not, because PassLok knows this is a short message. So we click here, and there it is. The short message works for the key log messaging, for anonymous messages, for signed messages, but does not work for PSFS because, actually it does work for PHS, sorry, but it does not work on the normal mode because of the size restrictions. So in PFS mode, what you will find is that the short messages have the restriction that can only be read once, after which, if you try to read it again, it will corrupt the whole exchange. It's intricate why that happens, but you have to be very careful in PFS mode when you are doing short messages. So this is all I want to say to you, and I hope you enjoy PassLok.